Hello, friends. Today's topic is constitutional nature, that is, Swabhavik Prakriti. Actually, we were discussing about the Annamaya Kosh. Annamaya Kosh, that is this body, which is physically available, which you can see. And this body has certain constitutional nature, that is Swabhavik Prakriti. And how this Prakriti is decided. We all human beings are constructed, rather made from the Triguna, Tridosha and Panchamahabhuta. How? At the time of conception, whatever is the nature of father and mother, that is, their five elements in whatever proportions were there, their Triguna in whatever proportions are there, that comes genetically to us. And further, it is added during the postnatal period and nutrients provided to the body. In this way, the psychosomatic constitution, that is Prakriti of this physical body, is formed. Here, not only that genetic factors are responsible, but the karmic memory from the previous life is also added if it is. Thus, this Prakriti can be divided into two forms, that is psychic nature and physical nature. What is the psychic nature? Psychic nature is Sat, Raj or Tam. And what is the physical nature? That is decided by Vata, Pitta and Kapha. We already know that Kapha is made with combining the two elements, earth and water, Vata, air and space, and Pitta, fire and water. So, in different combinations, different ratios, all the elements are there. Plus, we are having Triguna. So, we are having this Sat, Raj and Tam also in different combinations. So, if this Prakriti is maintained, we are supposed to maintain this by Prakriti, which we have got at the time of birth, because it is the metabolic personality. But somehow or the other, because of environmental factors and lifestyle which you adopt, this Prakriti is changed to Vikrati. It means there are some deviations in the Prakriti and that become a Vikrati. And this Vikrati is responsible for all the problems. The features of Tridosha, of Vata, Pitta and Kapha operate at the cellular level. And it is the single cell which is responsible for all possible positive and negative effects, which ultimately influence the whole body. Just if you see, there are 7 combinations that can be made from Vata, Pitta and Kapha. Some may be predominantly of Vata nature, Some may be of Pitta nature, some may be of Kapha nature, some may be of Kapha and Vata nature combined, some may be Vata and Pitta nature combined, some may be all the three combination of all the three. Now, what is Kapha? Kapha is responsible for accumulation. That it is energy of accumulation. And Pitta is energy of transformation. That is, your food is converted into energy. And third is energy of movement, whether it is movement of the mind or movement of the body. For both, the Vata is responsible. Now, if Vikrati is there, then what happens? If Vikrati is there, it means these Vata, Pitta, Kapha and this Trigona are not balanced at what was there at the time of birth. Yeah, at the time of conception of this body. If it is not there, then Vikrati will be there. So mostly, if there is a Vikrati in Kapha, then upper part of the body is affected. Because Kapha is mostly responsible for the upper part of the body, that is sinus, nostril, throat, bronchi, lungs, etc. So what ailments will come? That is mucus congestion, allergies, etc. And this Pitta, this is responsible for middle parts of the body, where our food is digested. That is stomach, liver, spleen, gallbladder, pancreas, duodenum. So, if Pitta is not balanced, then what will happen? That there could be peptic ulcer, gastritis, or agitation in the body. This Vata is responsible. Rather, Vata is affecting more at the lower parts of the body. That is lower part of small intestine and large intestine, pelvic area. Then what problems will come? Problems will be of the nature of constipation, low backache, etc. As Dehe Prakriti is there, the same way this Manas Prakriti. Manas Prakriti is the Sattvic or Satoguna, Rajasic or Rajoguna, or Tamasic or Tamoguna. Maharshi Charak has given in his Charak Samhita that there are 16 combinations of Sattva and Tam while deciding the personality of an individual. So accordingly, the body is affected in different manner. If we see the Sattvic, Satoguna, that gives virtues. Rajasic, that is Rajoguna, gives anger. That is, you want to control the things. If it is not of your wish, what you want, then there will be anger. And Tamasic, Tamoguna is a moha, delusion. So if these are unbalanced, then the problems will come. Mostly it has been seen because if a person is Satoguni, that is virtuous, all the virtues are there, then he will be disciplined. Sattvic not vitiate or get vitiated. So mostly problems will be less in his life because Satoguna people are of virtues, they cannot be vitiated by others. While Rajasic and Tamasic people, they are less punctual and also they are less tolerant to painful conditions. So more diseases will come to Rajasic and Tamasic people. Furthermore, to the Rajasic and Tamasic people, if they are having unbalanced Vata, then what will happen? There will be anxiety. Chittodveg will be there. And there will be more problems because they will be mentally upset most of the time. So, what is required from us? That we should try to maintain our own Prakriti, whatever is time it was in the original condition when we have taken birth. As far as possible, with less deviations, if we could maintain that Prakriti, then we could live a happy life. Friends, if you found this video good, then please like and subscribe.